Welcome to day one of what no one tells you about running and building an online business. I'm Katy, also known as Mad Money Mama, and I am a full-time teacher, solo mama, digital marketing mentor. I started my journey in digital marketing back in November of 2024, and I have not looked back since. This business was built from my phone during lunch, before school, after school, sitting in the parking lot of TaeKwonDo, attending another practice, waiting on my kiddo. And I needed, at the time when I decided to do this, I needed to find something which would allow me to generate additional income for my family without taking away from the limited amount of time I get to spend with my family. I didn't want to pick up extra hours unless I wanted to. I didn't want to teach summer school. I wanted my whole summer. I wanted freedom. And I didn't want to have to continue living paycheck to paycheck, worrying about where it was going to come from and how I was going to cover that new big bill. Now what I do is I help other mamas, as well as teachers and people who are trying to find a better way to build their own freedom formula so that they can start a business with limited technology experience required, no audience required, and with all the things they need in order to be successful, including community, support, and more. At this point in the game, passive income is something people talk about a lot. But the goal is for you to understand what that means, what it is, how you can create it for yourself, and the skills you need in order to learn how to do it. I'm going to talk with you about that too. So let's dig in. Here's the thing. When you are brand new to this space, digital marketing space, you don't need a product. But if you don't have something that you can actually resell, then it's going to be pretty slow going when it comes to actually making an income. You don't, however, need a big following. I started with zero. I did not want to sell to my friends and family, and that's exactly what this business is not about. It's not about going out there and trying to get other people to buy some new what's it thingamabob. It's about you building something bigger and more meaningful for yourself so that you can create more for yourself and your family, so that you can meet those goals and dreams that you have set for yourself. In order to do this successfully, though, you have to have a proven strategy. Like, you have to use a system that actually works. It's not about hustle, hustle, hustle. It's about using a strategy that you can apply over and over. And it's about small, repeatable steps, again, that you can do and use and apply over and over. And when you have these things, strategy and those small, repeatable steps, it changes the game entirely. If you've been waiting for perfect timing, this is your permission slip. You've got to stop waiting. You don't need all the answers to start. You just need to start. And starting is as simple as learning more. Learning more doesn't cost anything, but learning more moves you forward in your journey to learn more. I'll look forward to seeing you next time as we head into day two and we continue to learn more about the online things no one tells us about.